I'm Mariana, this is Zima, and this is Misha. They're my German Shepherds. Zima is my older one. She's almost 7 years old, and as most German Shepherds, she has joint problems. You might already know that German Shepherds are prone to have arthritis, hip dysplasia, or other joint problems, and Zima was recently diagnosed with hip dysplasia. This is a condition that cannot be cured. It can be treated but not cured. So that means she's going to live with this for the rest of her life. And there are two ways to go about the treatment. One is with drugs, painkillers, obviously, but there is also a drug-free option, and I'm going to talk to you about that. I was sent a product to try out, to test it out on her, and it's a combination of different things. One is a heated hip brace, and this goes around her hips, heated, and it would actually reduce some of the inflammation, some of the pain, making everything just work more comfortably. The other part is a lumbar support. It is also heated, so it goes around her body, and she doesn't actually need it herself, but there are other dogs that could benefit from it if they have issues with their spine. And there is a heated knee brace. This could go on their knees and their elbows if needed. In this video, first I'm going to talk to you about this product and give you my honest opinion of how I found it beneficial for Zima. And then I will show you how to put it on and basically just how it works. And I will also give you the information to the company, their Instagram page, their website, and everything will be listed down below in the description of this video. So make sure to check it out, and there will be some more information there. I am not a physician. I don't know that much about these problems. I don't know all the details of how it works and why it works. All I know is that my dog needs this, and she was in severe pain before. She was very sedentary. I thought she was just getting old and she was just getting lazy, but in fact it's actually the pain that kept her down, and now she's up and running and enjoying life. So that's why I want to tell you about it, because you might find it beneficial for your doggy. This is the heated hip brace, and as you can see, it has a long strap. This is what will attach to the dog's collar. At the end, you have these Velcro pieces, so you can just basically attach it so it will not slide down on their behind, and it will stay in place. It does have two other side straps. They're basically made of elastic, so this can fit a wide range of sizes and dogs, and they will just go around the two legs, the two hind legs, and that's really it. You have these additional straps. They're all elastic, but they are also attached with Velcro. They will just simply attach on the brace. So you can take one and just stick it on one side and go under the dog's stomach and strap it on the other side to also keep it in place like that. And then you have this power bank. This actually comes with your product. You would need to charge it, and it has the charger and everything with it that you need. And then you plug it in, and it will have 3 settings for the heat, and the colors will indicate there's red, blue, and green, and you can just basically push it. The papers that you get with your product, they will tell you what temperature is what, so you should probably start with the lowest one and then work your way up higher. And then you have these other straps that will keep this power bank in place. It would actually be better if there was a pocket for this one, but it doesn't have that. But you have these additional 2 straps, and you can just strap it around it and also go around your dog's back, on the bottom, on the back side, so that it will keep it in place. So I had my dog wear this, run around and everything, and I did not have a problem of her losing anything. It didn't come off. It stayed in place very nicely. This piece is the back brace, and it basically works the same way, same material and everything. You have basically 2 straps that will go around the dog. Obviously, this goes on the top of the dog, and then this strap goes around one leg and it straps around on the bottom. I will show you later how to put it on, but it straps around the bottom and stick it on. Everything works with Velcro and it's very secure. And then you'll have another strap that goes around on the bottom, just a little bit lower. And that's really it. So you have another power bank that you're getting with this, and you're going to charge it. You're going to plug it in the same way. And this one actually has a pocket, so you don't need those extra straps to keep it in place. It just stays right in there. You turn it on. The colors are the same, blue, red, or green, indicating the higher or lower temperatures. And that is basically it. So what I like about it is that, first of all, the size, there are different sizes you could get for your dogs, but even then, as your dog gets bigger maybe, or smaller, or changes in size in any ways, or you need to use it on a different dog later on, the sizes are pretty flexible because the straps are elastic and they also attach with Velcro onto the brace. So you can definitely just adjust the size for the hip brace and the back brace as well. And finally, this one is the knee brace. It works the same way. I only received one. If your dog has severe knee problems, arthritis, things like that, you would probably want to buy 4 and then use that. So what I like about this product is that you can really customize it. For me, Zima really needs this for her hips, but the back brace can make her feel more comfortable. But if you only need it for the back, you might be able to buy them separately, so you're not buying everything. I would suggest to get in touch with the company and see if they have different packages or different bundles, or you might just need it for your dog's knees and so on and so forth. So definitely check out this product. I highly recommend it, mostly because it's drug-free. You can still use painkillers, you can still use whatever your vet recommends, but this is something that you can't overdose, you can't really hurt your dog with it. If anything, it will just make them feel more comfortable. And for me, that's very important for my dog. And if you're a dog owner, I'm pretty sure you would want everything for your dog to feel comfortable. Like I said, I highly recommend this product. This is a drug-free solution, so there are no side effects, there are no unknown problems that could come up later. Having said that, I do give her painkillers every morning, and the reason for that is that I couldn't tell she was in pain. Like I said earlier, I just thought she was just, lazy and just not in the mood to move around. But the x-rays revealed that she, in fact, has hip dysplasia. And the doctor was telling me that I could give her these painkillers every morning and every night. And when I see that, she doesn't really need it or she needs it more, then I can adjust the dosage. And I was asking, how do I know? I can't tell. I couldn't tell for years that she was in pain. She's not limping, she's not crying, she's not exhibiting any symptoms like that, so I can't really tell. So with this hip brace, you're not hurting your dog. You're not giving her too much medication, or you're not giving her too little. So you just put it on her, and if anything, she will just be more comfortable. So I also want to say one more thing. If you have a dog that's about 5 years or maybe a little bit older, I would suggest to take this doggie to the vet and have them do a complete checkup, including an x-ray, because that is the only way that you're going to tell for sure that they have any kind of hip problem. My oldest dog also, who already has passed away, he didn't have any hip problem. And my younger doggie, Misha, she's not even 4 years old yet, so it's probably too early to even worry about it. But Zima has it, so that's 1 dog out of 3. And I have a friend who has a senior dog. She's about 8 or 9 years old. So I urged him to take her to the vet. And what do you know? The dog also had hip dysplasia. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I will do my best to answer as soon as possible, as best as I can. But like I said earlier, just check out the description of this video, because I have the link to this company's website, and they have some very informative videos there that will explain everything in a little bit more detail about these conditions and about this product. So if you are interested in it, go ahead and check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.